$1,000 for 1 million views. That's what these TikTok experts are saying. But is it really true? For a month, I tried out the TikTok creativity program beta to see what all the fuss is about. Everyone talks about how it can make you loads of money, and many say it pays about $1 or more for every 1,000 views. So if you do the math, that could be $1,000 for 1 million views, which is pretty easy to get on TikTok. I have some YouTube channels where I don't show my face and they kind of run themselves. So I thought, why not try the same thing on TikTok? This means getting others to make the videos for me. For this challenge, I wanted to create a TikTok account without showing my face, join the creativity program, and make some money. At first, I hoped to make at least $700, but surprise, I made even more than that. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll tell you exactly how much I made in 30 days. Now, let me share the simple steps I took, so you can try this out and maybe find success with your own TikTok account. Step 1. Choose a niche. This part is super important. I had to find a topic that doesn't need a face and can easily be done by AI or an editor. It should also be something that lots of people might want to watch, like Reddit stories or Would You Rather videos, for example. But I wanted to be a bit different, so I picked a topic that most people like: animals. On TikTok, there are tons of animal videos, from cute cats to lions doing wild things. I called my chosen topic the Animal Showcase, as I had experience with a successful YouTube channel about it. But I went even more specific and focused on cute pets, thinking there would be a big audience for that. Step 2. Find your competitors. This step is quite simple but really important. You should look for the popular creators in your area to get ideas for trending topics. You don't want to copy exactly what they do, but you can get inspiration from their most popular videos, including their topics and hooks. I started by following all the successful accounts that were creating videos about adorable pets. Then, I checked when and what kind of videos they posted that got the most attention. Step 3. Make AI script and voiceover. I used an AI script with ChatGPT to make my video content, and instead of hiring separate people for writing and voiceover, I utilized 11 labs for the voiceover part. Nowadays, AI can handle these tasks. I came up with a prompt that I could use for all my videos and chose the most popular AI voice to make it familiar to the audience. Step 4. Edit the videos on your own or hire someone to do it for you. You can find editors on Fiverr or Upwork for $5 per video. I chose to hire an editor to save time. I set up a standard process where I would send the AI voiceover to the editor and they would create the video. Step 5. To increase my chances of quickly becoming popular, I posted every day and stuck to a strict schedule. You can easily find the best times to post on TikTok in your time zone by searching online. Posting time may not be as crucial for a video in the long run, but it really matters in the short term. I wanted to go viral and make money quickly. Now, I just had to follow these steps to meet the TikTok creativity program requirements. Have an account in the US, UK, France, Brazil, Germany, Japan, or Korea. Be 18 years old. Get 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Have at least 10,000 followers. Only videos that are 1 minute or longer qualify. Guess what? My first video didn't do so well. Only a few hundred views on the first day. Quite disappointing. I tried copying a topic from a competitor's video with 30 million views, but it didn't work the same for me. However, on the next day, my second video took off and got over 700,000 views in just 12 hours. I hit the 100K view requirement by day 2. All my competitors had success with a similar animal video early on, so it wasn't a surprise that mine did too. When you're starting, it's okay not to try something completely new. I stuck to the same tactics, and within a week, I reached the tougher goal of 10,000 followers. Just 1 week in, and I got into the program. Now, all I needed to do was keep up the viral streak and make that money. After getting into the creativity program, my daily views dropped. On the first day in the program, I earned $4. What's going on? I got accepted faster than expected, but I was stuck with very little money, barely going over $10 for days until about 5 days before the program. Just under 2 weeks after making the account, my views started going up, and I had my most popular day. I saw a competitor's top 3 dog breeds video getting millions of views in just a couple of days. So before he could do it first, I quickly made a top 3 cat breeds video, and it took off, surpassing his dog video. Suddenly, I was making hundreds a day, and I even hit $1,000 in a single day. Maybe TikTok is better than YouTube after all. However, with TikTok, when you check your analytics, it's all in waves. You'll have some lows and some highs. You just have to ride it out. So, let's check out my final results. In 30 days after posting 30 videos, I got 64,000 followers and 21 million views. Remember those TikTok experts saying a million views equals $1,000? Well, if that's true, I should have made $21,000, right? Here's the real deal on how much I made in my first 30 days of using TikTok automation. Not even $3,000. Way less than the promised $21,000. Now, considering I invested $150 and just spent a few minutes each day, making $2,800 is actually amazing. I ended up with a profit of $2,828, which is pretty good since my initial goal was just $700. But according to these TikTok pros, I was supposed to make over $20,000. Why didn't I? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, a couple of million views weren't counted for the program because they were from videos posted before I got accepted. Secondly, on TikTok, you only get paid for views that count as qualified. In simple terms, if someone watches 5 seconds or more of your video, it's a qualified view, and you get paid for it. Views from people who scroll away at the 4-second mark don't count. So, with my average 5-second retention being 50%, only about half of my total views qualified for earnings. Thirdly, my RPM, revenue per meal, was less than $1. My average RPM was 40, meaning I was getting paid 40 cents for every 1,000 qualified views. So for every million views, I was only earning about $200, not $1,000 as those TikTok experts claimed. To actually earn $1,000 for a million views, you'd probably need an RPM of $2 or more, which is rare but doable. If you're interested, drop a comment below, and I can make a video on how to boost your RPM. Now, why was my RPM so low? In short, it's because of my niche and where my audience is. The animal niche doesn't pay as much as something like finance, for instance, and only about 75% of my viewers were in the United States. A significant portion was in the Philippines, which isn't great for RPM. So, while the TikTok creativity program pays well, in this challenge, I found out that the hyped up $1,000 per 1 million views isn't entirely accurate. Sure, you can hit $1,000 for 1 million qualified views, but qualified views are often half or less of your total views. Just keep that in mind. I've realized that short-form automation, managing faceless channels on TikTok and YouTube, is one of the most profitable business models right now. I've had single 1-minute videos, which I invested just $5 into, making me thousands in return. This is my first video on this channel, and I plan to create more where I share free, straightforward educational content on growing profitable faceless automation channels on TikTok and YouTube. In the content of the previous video, I emphasized that besides earning money with YouTube AdSense, you can significantly increase your income by 10 times through affiliate marketing. The same applies to TikTok. You can easily attach links in your bio, directing users to your website and earning additional income by promoting products featured in your videos. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, you can get a free ebook on my website. I hope you enjoyed this video and can use my tips for your own faceless TikTok venture to make a good amount of money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.